Hope you've all had an incredible trading week. I thought I would just make this video very quickly because I feel like we're at a very pivotal time in the industry altogether. Forex, commodity market, indice market, stock market. I think we're at very important levels, and I feel like a lot of people are completely missing the point. So I'm seeing a lot of stuff online. You've got people that are currently buying stocks at all-time highs. You've missed the move. A lot of people are going to be in serious trouble, especially when we do start to see the downside momentum. Now, we caught incredible trades this week and last week. It's been an absolutely phenomenal month so far. We've already got our short positions in the indice market, completely risk-free. We're going to have a few compounding positions playing out as well. But I think it's important to just realize that we have to start looking at things from a macro perspective, and that's from a fundamental perspective and from a technical perspective. And when you're doing your analysis, you got to remember that you're basically building a case, which means the more evidence you have for a trade is the higher probability the trade is to play out. For example, if you have more confluences on a trade, so whether that's a short position, let's say on the Dow Jones, so you've got the fundamental confluence, you've also got the technical confluence, which is us being at a key resistance level, as you can see. Then you've got, like I just said, the micro fundamental fundamental data as well. So that will be what's happening currently with China, US, with the trade, not even trade war. They're currently, things are heating up even more than they already were before. So that will be micro data, because anything can change with that. And of course, we've got the macro, which is we are in a global recession, which means trying to look for buy positions when we're already at an all-time high is super counterproductive. The odds are already stacked in your stacked against you. And no matter what anyone says, this is a probability game. That's what this is. It's all about probability. There is no guaranteed trade. There is no magic formula. It's all about building a case and an edge to ensure that you have the highest probability trading setups. And this is an example on the Dow Jones and the indice market. I mean, it's been phenomenal. We've been mapping out these kind of trades from last year. It's all about preparation. We knew that a recession was going to happen. You could see our recent stories where we posted expect a recession in 2020, and here we are. COVID-19 happened to be the catalyst for the sell-off at the start of the year, but as you can see, we saw the retrace, which we predicted as well. You're going to have a retrace. The market cannot move in a straight line. Now, as you can see, after the pullback, we're now expecting a downside continuation. And that's why we're currently just mapping out the plan. Especially with commodity trades, with gold, etc. We've been buying gold since last year and the start of the year. We've also posted that evidence as well, which we're going to post more of. This is not, people are acting like they've discovered a unicorn. This is common sense. If you're in a global recession, we know that gold historically does well in an economic recession. So therefore, acting like you've just discovered something new, or wow, I bought from here to here on a day trade is impressive. It's not impressive at all, right? This is just standard stuff. Gold positions should be in play, right? Which is a hedge against the stock market. And then obviously you've got your shorts. Then you've got other. There's so much to get into over the next few months. And I can't wait to get stuck into this. We've already got positions, key positions in play, like we like to call our power moves. But now, guys, it's time to trade in the zone. literally looking forward to the next few months. We're gonna have a lot more stuff for you guys. We're gonna be launching our Trading in the Zone Discord group on Monday, and we've also got our last straw webinar coming up, which is going to be on the 31st. So if you're interested in that, send me a message. But guys, it's time to get really serious about this. Let's not just look at things from a day trade perspective, and you know you really have to look at this long term. If you treat this like a business, you'll receive business like results. If you treat it like a 9 to 5, you're going to get 9 to 5 results. So guys, it's going to be super exciting. Make sure you get in contact, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A because I know there's a lot of misinformation out there, and a lot of just people. Oh, I can't believe you use this strategy and this. Guys, it doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is profitability. That's it. So no, it doesn't matter what strategy you use. If it works for you, keep on doing it. Simple as. Obviously, you can add stuff to your arsenal to make sure that you have a better edge. But do what works for you, right? This is not a one size fits all kind of game, right? So if high probability trades work for you and you don't really mind about your overall success rate, keep doing that. If you're someone that likes to have the high probability trades and doesn't really like taking losses, then of course, you know, use that strategy as well. But there's so many different things that you can do to ensure that you are profitable, which is the end result. That's all. I'll speak to you all soon.